Welcome to our channel. Print-on-demand t-shirts offer a low-risk way to start an online clothing business without inventory. Here's how to get started. Step 1. Select a print-on-demand platform like Printful, Printify, or Teespring. These services handle printing, packaging, and shipping, allowing you to focus on design and marketing. Step 2. Create your t-shirt designs using graphic design software like Adobe Illustrator, Canva, or Photoshop. Ensure designs are high-resolution and follow platform requirements for file format and dimensions. Step 3. Set up your online store either through the platform's built-in storefront or by integrating with Shopify, Etsy, or your own website. Choose the store option that best fits your technical skills and budget. Step 4. Upload your designs and select the t-shirt styles, colors, and sizes you want to offer. Preview how your design looks on different products to ensure quality appearance. Step 5. Set your retail prices by adding your desired profit margin to the platform's base cost. Research competitors to ensure your pricing is competitive while still profitable. Step 6. Market your shirts through social media, influencer partnerships, and paid advertising. Focus on targeting specific niches or communities interested in your design themes. Step 7. Monitor sales and customer feedback to refine your designs and marketing strategy. Successful sellers continuously test new designs and optimize based on performance data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.